Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video here today. My name is Alan with Try This DIY, and I want to answer a question. Which do you drill into, the brick or the mortar? So let's go ahead and dive in. So a few things you'll need for this today is you'll need a hammer drill so we can drill into the brick. You'll also need an impact driver as well, or a regular drill so you can put your bolt into the wall. You'll need a bolt or a screw, and then also you'll need an anchor and a hammer as well. So let's go ahead and get started. So when drilling into a brick wall, you do drill directly into the brick, because when you think about it, when they put these in here, a lot of times you'll see that the mortar does kind of decay or does go away sometimes, and the brick is still there. So the brick is going to be much stronger, so you want to make sure if you're drilling into something to anchor something in, you want to drill directly into the brick itself. So another thing you want to check when you're drilling into brick is you want to check the length of your screw or your bolt. You can check that right here to make sure you're going just beyond the bolt or your screw. You can kind of move this back. I have a little tool that actually measures and it tells you when to stop. You can even put a little piece of tape right here or do anything you want to do just to indicate that's far enough into that hole. And so we're going to go ahead and drill our hole.
Please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
The next thing you're going to do is take your wall anchor and go ahead and place it in there. And if it doesn't fit, you can just press it in or even tap it in with your hammer. Just make sure it goes all the way up flush against there. Once it's flush up against the wall, again, you might have to tap it just to make sure it's tight in there. Then you can take your screw or your lag bolt, go ahead and put it in. And then you will take your power drill and go ahead and take it all the way into the wall, and you should be good to go. And that's how you drill into brick, not the mortar. So again, remember, anytime you're drilling in and you're going to have something hang on there, you want to drill into the brick because it's much stronger than the mortar itself. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, I'd love to know that. You can leave a like and subscribe down below. If you have any questions or comments, please put them down in the comment section. Love to help you out with that as well. But you can also check out one of these other videos that have popped up here in your end screen. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.